My name is Jessica. Woo! Say hi, Luke.
Hi.
And we have Luke in the back. We have not posted a video on here in almost 2 years, Luke. You were a little tiny baby, bless you. You were a little tiny baby when we would make cooking videos. And now you're a 3-year-old. So I have a 3-year-old, guys. Luke, as you guys, recall. And Luke has a baby brother. What's your brother's name? His name is Seth Roman. And Seth is, how old is Seth, Luke? Do you know?
Yeah.
How old is he? He is 9 months old, I think. 9 or 10 months old. He's going on 10. Yeah, so a lot has changed since we have posted a video on here. So today we are gonna be making some enchiladas. You wanna make some enchiladas today, Luke? All right, we're gonna make some enchiladas. They are red enchiladas. And Luke is gonna help me. Yeah, he's gonna help me make the enchiladas today. We are missing a few ingredients, so we are gonna go to the store really quick and pick those ingredients up.
I want to buy that car.
Which one?
This is the monster.
Oh, that's a cool monster truck. Or is that a semi? It's a semi.
I want to buy that red one.
That red one? All right. Well, I bet you that when you're older, you are going to buy all of the cars.
A sassy, maybe a big one of pizza. He was tall. And he had a car. And he drive and steal. And then he come back home. And then he go up and he knows the house like that.
Ooh, you think when Seth's older, he's going to also want to buy a car then?
Yeah, I want music.
You want to hear music?
I want
You want to hear R&B music? Okay, say bye to the camera then. We got to turn off the camera.
Bye, camera.
All right, gotta go. Yeah, one of those balls. Get one, please. Yep. Put it up here.
Up here?
Yeah. All right.
It's too cold.
It is. Now we need to get some oranges. Can you get me 2 oranges?
Yeah.
2 of them, please. Make sure they're juicy. Okay, throw them in here.
Really?
Throw them in. Right on. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Very juicy. Now we need onion. Let's go get an onion. Okay, can you grab a white onion? No, that's garlic. Onion's over here. Can you grab one of those? The white ones. Just one. Just one. Throw it in the cart.
That's our height?
Yep, that's our cart. Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag. Can you scan my earrings?
Too big. This way?
Yeah, scan them. Put them in the bag. Yep.
Where is it?
Should be on there.
Okay.
There it is. All right, Luke, do you want to tell them what the ingredients are?
Yeah.
Okay, what are the ingredients?
I can't do it.
You can do it. What is this?
What's this?
This is cheese.
And this is
You're going to need Cotija cheese.
And this is cheese.
You're going to need tortillas,
Cheese.
cabbage,
Cabbage.
tomato,
Tomato.
onion,
Onion.
1 piece of garlic,
1 piece of garlic.
pasilla,
Pasilla.
guajillo,
Guajillo.
apple cider vinegar,
Apple cider.
a little bit of sugar,
A little bit sugar.
the juice of 4 oranges,
This is the oranges.
oregano,
Oregano.
salt to taste,
Salt.
olive oil,
Oil.
and shredded chicken.
Chicken.
Those are our ingredients. Woohoo! Are you ready to help me make these enchiladas? Yeah? All right, so let's go ahead and put the water into our pot, Luke. Let me know if you need help. And we got our chiles in there. We have our guajillo, our pasilla. That looks great. And then we're gonna turn it on. Yeah, but be careful because the fire's on, okay? I don't want you to burn yourself. You go ahead and push all of the chiles in.
Little bit.
Okay. So you're just gonna push them in so that they're all soaking in the water. Just like that. And then when they're super mushy, that's when we know that they're ready. Okay? So we're just gonna wait for those to cook. Put them in the blender. Make sure that there's no stems on, which we already took off. Very good. You're such a good helper. Very good. Okay. All right, so we're gonna add 1 piece of garlic, about 1/4 of an onion, and secret ingredient is apple cider vinegar. Okay, Luke. So I already added my garlic. Listen, I added the garlic and I added the onion, and now we're gonna add some of this, okay? You wanna help me?
Yeah, I'll help you.
Here, I'll have you sit up here so you can pour some in there. Come. We're only gonna pour a little tiny bit, okay? Because vinegar is a little bit strong. Here, hold it. Smell it. What do you think it smells like?
Yes.
Smells good?
Smells good.
A little dash. Oop, I think that's perfect. So look, this is why we saved the water that we boiled the chilies in, because we're gonna put it in there. Maybe like that much. Do you think that's good?
That's good. Oh, stand up there.
Yeah, I'm gonna have you come here. Okay, ready?
Ready?
All right.
This one too?
This one, the one that says hi. Whoa! The lid almost came off. Hold on, hold on. That's not good. Okay, push it.
What?
Yeah, that one. Think it's ready? Let's give it a little smell. Smell it? Smell it? Smells good? Okay, we gotta look at the consistency too, because we gotta make sure it's not too thick. We're gonna add a little bit more water, okay? Okay, careful. Don't touch, because that water's hot. All right. Okay. Ready?
I what's it?
You're gonna push it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's the pie.
No. Okay, push it. Okay, give it a quick whiff. Let me know if it smells good.
Delicious.
Smells delicious?
Yeah, smell it.
Let me see. Okay, and then we gotta keep an eye on it, okay? We're actually gonna do like medium heat. All right, Luke, can you help me put some oil in the pan?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. Pour it into the pan, please.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Pour it in. I'll tell you when to stop. Stop. I think that's good. So look, this is gonna be your job. You're gonna hold the strainer right there. Hold it. Don't move it, okay? Leave it right there, because look. See you, babe. It is recording. It's okay. See that? And then we're gonna shake it a little bit. Let me get a spoon. You got it? Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Here's a spoon. You're doing a great job, Luke. Good job. I think we might have added a little bit too much oil. That's okay. Are you gonna go keep an eye on Seth?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you for helping. Okay, guys, so we're just gonna do this until we're done with all of the red sauce. My sauce is simmering. I'm gonna add about, I don't know, half tablespoon of sugar, and then salt to taste. We're not really a big on salt, so I really don't know how much to add, but I mean, that looks like it's good enough for me. But you can always taste it to see if it's good. And then just give it a little quick stir. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my oranges. You might, I'm using 4. And honestly, 4 is always too much of the little orange sauce that I need. You can probably get away with using just 3, or maybe even 2, depending on how juicy your oranges are. But I am going to use 4 today. I did make extra sauce because I love these enchiladas and I want to be able to have some more tomorrow or during the week. So I'm going to do this. And then I'm going to exprimirlo into this container. Who fell? Okay, so I'm cutting my oranges up because I'm going to squeeze them. I only have a lemon squeezer, which is why I have to cut them into 4s. I am using 4 oranges, but you could honestly get away using just 3 oranges. I always have leftover orange sauce when I'm done, so I don't know, we'll see what it's like today, depending on how juicy your oranges are. Oh my goodness. All right, so our freshly squeezed orange juice is done. And then we're gonna cut up our onion. What's up, Seth? Why are you crying? You wanna come help me cook? You wanna come help me cook, babe? Where's Seth? Dump it out in there. And then we're gonna use a little bit of oregano. Maybe like that much. I don't know, about a tablespoon. Tablespoon and a half. And just mix it in together. What's going on? So you can see that it looks pretty beautiful. So I also went ahead and cut up my cabbage into really thin pieces, and then I chopped up some tomato I sliced some tomato into thin slices, and I shredded my Cotija cheese. So I am going to just set this aside, and now we can finally get started with our tortillas. Now the tortilla thing can be a little bit tricky, and let me tell you why. So first we're gonna start off by taking our tortilla, putting it into the red sauce, front side, back side, and then we're gonna put it into a pan with hot oil. This needs to be done very quickly. You need to put it into the pan with hot oil, flip it really quickly, and then take it right out immediately. You don't wanna leave it in there for too long, and you don't want the heat to be too high because 1, it's gonna start to splatter everywhere when you put the red sauce into the oil. And 2, if you don't take it out quickly, it's going to fall apart. It's gonna get all soggy and you won't be able to scoop out the tortilla. Or if you are able to scoop it out, then you're not gonna be able to roll it up into a nice little enchilada. Tortillas, these are my favorite. The Mission yellow corn tortillas, extra thin. I really like these because they're thin. The other ones, I find that they're just too thick and I don't wanna get all panzona full of tortillas. So I prefer these. Whatever you want, you get those. Just make sure that they're corn tortillas. Turn this on. About a low-ish heat, not too high. And then I'm gonna get my oil. I'm gonna put some oil, enough to be able to cover the tortilla. So I'm gonna grab my tenazas and I'm gonna put it into the sauce. Flip it. This is hot already. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of some of that excess sauce. Look at how beautiful that looks. And then, okay, Seth, I'm gonna need you to move, babe. I'm gonna pop it into this real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seconds. It's not that hot. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I'm gonna put my tortilla over here. And then I'm gonna put in some chicken. This is just a rotisserie chicken that costs $5 at Costco. I got home yesterday. I popped it into the air fryer at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. And okay, right on. Okay, and then I'm gonna roll it up. Oh, this is the stuff. That's good. See, it's dripping. Oh shoot. Okay. Don't worry. That's totally normal. Just fill it in with some chicken. A little bit of cotija. A little bit of our little vinaigrette. You know what? It's a little bit messed up, but it's good. Puta madre. Damn it. Why? What's up, Seth? What's up, babe? They're coming out good. So I'm gonna put my enchiladas here. You can definitely make a little side of arroz, unos frijolitos, whatever you want. This is gonna be for my husband because it looks a little beat up, so you can have that one. And we're gonna make it look cute though, you know. He's not gonna be able to tell it looks beat up right there. Okay, so now, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put some vinaigrette all on top. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some cotija. So bomb. Oh, my stomach is growling. And then I'm gonna put some cabbage, some repollo. So good. And then some nice little slices of tomato. Like that. And it's delicious. Look at that. That's delicious. Look at that oil. Delicious. I'm so excited. I haven't had this in like several months. Okay. Okay. Yep. Yep. Mm-hmm. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to make more. Con una coquita. We don't buy Coke in this household, so I'll just have it with water, but Coke sounds bomb. It's not spicy at all, so your kids can have some. It just has a certain
You know what? Don't even make arroz or frijoles on the side. Just make more of these on there. Make like 7. Imagine a 7. Bomb. Bomb. I'm not even gonna wait for Alan to be off work. I'm just gonna stuff my face. Oof, with a little glass of wine. Delicious. Have to try it out. Nada más poquito, nada más poquito. Not too much.